In this video, we will show you what you need to do if your Samsung Galaxy A33 is extremely laggy that you can no longer use it properly as it takes a long time before it executes your commands. The first thing you need to do is close the apps that are left running in the background and then do the force restart. Doing so will free up and refresh the RAM and CPU. To do that, tap the recent key to view the apps running in the background, and then tap close all to quit them all at once. And then try to see if your phone's performance has improved, because in cases where the issue is due to apps, this procedure is all you need to do to fix it. However, after doing that and your phone is still laggy, then what you need to do next is to force restart your phone. Doing so will refresh the memory of your device. To do that, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds. Doing so will reboot your phone. So once the Samsung logo shows on the screen, release both keys and let it boot up successfully. After the reboot, try to see if your Galaxy A33 is still laggy or not anymore, because if it still is, then what you need to do next is check if you still have enough storage space left. Everything that runs on your phone create their own cache. That's why it's important that your device still has sufficient storage. To check on it, pull up the apps drawer and tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care. You should now be able to see how much storage is left. So try to delete some of your pictures, videos, or files if you find it necessary. However, if your device still has enough storage space left, then what you need to do next is to check for an available firmware update. It's possible that the lags and freezes are due to firmware issues, which are often fixed through firmware updates. So pull down the notification panel and tap the gear icon. Scroll all the way down and then tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install to check if there's an update available for you. If there is, then take a little time installing it to see if that fixes the problem. However, if the problem persists, then you will need to reset all settings of your phone. This brings all the settings back to their factory defaults without deleting any of your files or data. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset and all the settings will be brought back to factory defaults. After doing that, your phone should already work properly. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help you. Please subscribe to our channel to support us. Thanks for watching.